Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be doing a eyeshadow look with the Dose of Colors Baked Browns eyeshadow palette. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right on in. The first product I'm going to use is to prime my lids, and it is from Pretty Vulgar and it's their eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to dot that all over the eyelid and then blend it out using my finger. So the first shade we are going to take is the shade Cherrywood, and I am taking that on my Morphe M441 Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush, and I am just applying that on the outer corner of my eye in circular motions and then slowly blending it into the crease towards the inner corner of my eye. Also, I am kind of feathering out the eyeshadow, almost like if I'm doing a wing, and I'm just really smoking it out, making sure there are no harsh lines and it is really nice and blended. Taking more of that Cherrywood shade, I am just packing it on the outer corner of my eye and bringing it in to about the middle part of my eyelid. To darken up this eyeshadow look, I am taking this shade right here. It is called Rock Bottom on my Morphe 456 Mini Firm Blending Brush. And I am just applying that on my lash line, creating an eyeshadow liner, and I am slowly winging it out as well as smoking it out too. Taking the shade Deserted on my Morphe M167 Oval Shadow Brush, I am just going to pack this shade on the center of the eyelid, bringing it slightly up above the crease. Taking that same Morphe M441 brush with nothing on it, I'm just blending out all the harsh lines and making sure everything looks nice and seamless. Next, going to take that shade Rock Bottom on that same Morphe M456 brush and just going over the lash line once again. Now I am just basically going to create the same thing on my lower lash line, taking the shade Cherrywood first and blending that on the outer corner and the inner corner of my lower lash line. And then I will be taking the shade Rock Bottom and just focusing that shade on the outer portion of my lower lash line. Taking that LA Girl Very Black Pencil Eyeliner, I am just going to water both waterlines, and this is just to help prep for false eyelashes, to help them blend better with your natural eyelashes. For mascara, I am taking the Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara from L'Oreal, and I'm just going to apply that on my upper lashes only. For eyeliner, I am taking the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Black. And the way I like to do my eyeliner at the moment is I like to create how long I want my wing up first. And then from that point, I just drag it in. And this is basically a half wing. I'm not going all the way towards my inner, tear duct. I'm just keeping it about halfway on the eyelid. And yeah. And that is it for the winged eyeliner. Now for lashes, I am obsessed with these KOKO lashes. They are in the style AMORE, and I am taking my Duo Lash Adhesive in dark tone and just going to go ahead and apply that to my false eyelashes, wait for it to get a bit tacky, and then just going to pop those on my lashes. So for me, I feel like I always get asked questions on how I apply my false eyelashes. If you guys would like to see a more in-depth video on how I do that, go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below. For lips, I am going to take this little duo right here and it is the NYX Lip Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. And first I am just going to outline my lips, and then I'm going to fill them in a little bit, only on the outer corners, dragging that the lip pencil in towards the center of my lips. And then I'm going to top it off with the Dose of Colors Don't Be Shy lip gloss and pop that on the center of my lips, and then gently blend it out with my finger. Alright guys, that is it, and here's the final look. I really loved how it came out, and if you did too, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media listed down below in the description box. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!